how to use AI to empower your daily work. AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to remove friction from your work. Used correctly, AI can save hours every week, reduce mental load, and help you focus on higher value thinking. In this video, we'll break down how to use AI to empower your daily work, starting today. AI is extremely effective as a thinking partner. You can use it to structure ideas, clarify problems, and explore options faster. Instead of staring at a blank page, AI helps you move from confusion to clarity without replacing your judgment. Writing and communication consume a large part of modern work. AI can help draft emails, reports, summaries, and presentations, not to think for you, but to help you express ideas more clearly and efficiently. The key is to treat AI as a first draft assistant, not a final authority. AI excels at handling large amounts of information. You can use it to summarize documents, extract key insights, compare options, and turn raw data into understandable explanations. This dramatically reduces time spent on low-value processing. Where AI delivers the most leverage is in repetitive work. Scheduling, follow-ups, formatting, and simple workflows can often be automated or partially automated. Even small automations compound over time. AI is powerful, but it's not infallible. Always review outputs. Protect sensitive information. And remember, AI enhances human judgment, it doesn't replace it. AI doesn't make work disappear. It makes better work possible. The people who benefit most from AI won't be those who use it the most, but those who use it intentionally. Subscribe to AI Laboratory for clear insights into AI and how it shapes work and life.